Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to customize the gestures on your Marshall Kilburn III speaker. It's actually how to customize the controls, but it doesn't really matter because it's almost the same. At first we have to turn on the application called Marshall Bluetooth, and here in this application we have to scroll down till we see M button. We have to tap that, and here we can change what does this button here do. The default one is equalizer, but we can set it to do nothing, or here equalizer, we can set the first equalizer and the second equalizer. That's it. I hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.